Hello, welcome to a rainy episode of Dan the Fisherman. Out here in Lake Ouachita, it's post-spawn time. It's rainy. There was a thunderstorm earlier this morning. Could be a thunderstorm today. I don't know. I'm just here to fish. We'll see how today goes. It's about 1:30, 1 o'clock. We didn't get out here till lunchtime. It's been raining for a while. We've been out here for about 30 minutes or so. I done caught one bass. In the rain. So I don't know what this storm's doing. Thunder in here and there. I ain't seen no lightning yet. Of course, if it starts lightning, we're getting off the water, absolutely. Pretty nice one, guys. Yeah, I appreciate it.
Any luck?
I caught a couple earlier.
Got about maybe an hour left. This rain should clear out.
All right. Another one, guys. Little guy. Nice spot. spotted bass. We almost had him. He just hit it weird. Caught a yellow bass and I had a spotted bass. He got off right at the boat. Didn't have a very good hook set on him. I'm not expecting a bunch of topwater just yet, but I am expecting it closer to sunset. A spot. Intended species, not the right size. But it's the ones we're wanting though. Sunset is upon us. I'm hoping they start blowing up soon. Now we can finally cool off a little bit out here. Guys, that's all she wrote for the day. Not a lot of catches, not much really.